Hello everybody guys, how are y'all doing? So today we're gonna start taking some notes on independent dependent events, but it's nothing new. We were covering this before spring break and you guys were doing a really good job. So we want to take a look at our notes before we have to do our daily assignment. So for example, on number 1, and you notice right away there's some cards with different colors. So it says there's 5 yellow, 3 green, 7 orange, and 3 red cards in a stack of cards turned face down. Once a card is selected, it is not replaced. Now remember, when we're doing these kind of problems, guys, the words in the problem are important. We have to keep those words in mind. So right here, not replaced. So that means a card is going to be taken out, guys, and it's not going to be replaced. So we can say that we put the card in our pocket or we put it off to the side, but it's not replaced. So what's the probability that you can select an orange card and then a green card? So orange goes first and then green. That's going to be important also when we set up our proportion. Remember, these problems we want to set up as proportions. So first things first is find the total. And you'll notice right here in our notes, it is given to us. There's 18 cards. All right. So this right here kind of gives us some information that we want to fill in. So find the total number of cards. We did that. It's 18. Second, count the number of orange cards. And there's 7. Count the number of green cards. And there's 3. Now, when we actually set up the proportion, and so let me change this to be a different color here. So when we actually set up the proportion, guys, right here, they've done it for you. We want to keep in mind that the word and up here was used. Therefore, we need to make sure we're multiplying. There has to be multiplication involved in this proportion. So we noticed that there was 7 orange and 18 to begin with. We're done with that. However, the card was not replaced. So that would make 18 drop to 17 because we take 1 away. So there was 3 green. We set up that one. And then we're going to go top to top, bottom to bottom. We're going to get kind of a big answer here. But we're going to go ahead and simplify that. In this case, they simplified it by 3. So we went all the way down to 7 over 102 as our final answer. Again, keep in mind the words in the word problem. Sometimes the cards are going to be replaced or not replaced, so be careful with that. Also, if the word orange goes first, we're going to set orange up first, as we did here. So orange was first, and then green. Make sure you're setting up your proportion as the word problem states. All right, if you guys have any problems, make sure that you email me or Miss Gonzalez. And we really miss y'all. Thank you, guys. See y'all later.